Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to explain the chapter The Midnight Visitor. In this chapter, there are three main characters. Ojibal. Ojibal is a secret agent. Max is also a secret agent. Fowler. Fowler is a playwright. Fowler wanted to have a romantic scene. He wanted to have a romantic adventure. Ojibal was staying in a small room in a French hotel. His room was on the sixth and top floor of the hotel. It was not suitable for a romantic adventure. Ojibal did not fit any description of a secret agent as Fowler had ever read. Ojibal was fat. Generally, the secret agents have the muscular body. Now Ojibal said, "You are disappointed. You were told that I was a secret agent, a spy dealing in spying and danger. You wish to meet me because you are a writer, young and romantic. You imagined mysterious figures in the night, the cracks of pistols, and the vines should be there." Actually, both of them were moving in the corridor. They were going toward the room. Now, Ojibal said, "Don't be worried. Presently, you will see a paper, a quite important paper, for which several men and women have risked their lives. Someday, that paper may will affect the course of history." Now they reached the room. They got into the room. Now Ojibal closed the door and switched on the light. The moment Ojibal switched on the light, Fowler had his first authentic thrill of the day. In the middle of the room, a man was standing. He had a pistol in his hand. Now Ojibal blinked a few times. It means Ojibal closed and opened his eyes a few times. He said, "Max, you gave me a quiet start. And I thought you were in Berlin. What are you doing in my room?" Max was thin. He had a crafty expression on his face. Nothing was menacing with him except a pistol in his hand. Now Max said, "The report that is being brought to you tonight concerning some new missiles, and I thought I would take it from you, as it would be safer in my hand than you." Hearing that, Ojibal was restless. He sat in an armchair. Now he decided to tackle that man with a good management and by befooling him. He said, This is the second time that any person has come to his room through this balcony. Max said, balcony? No, I have not come to the room, to the balcony. I have come by this pass key. Now, the knock at the door was heard. Hearing the knocking sound, Max said, who was there? Ojival said that there would be police. I called the police here because I needed some protection for such important papers. Hearing about the police, now Max went toward the window. He kept his one leg on the sill and he kept his one leg in the room. Now the knocking of the door was repeated. Now he threatened Ojival. He was going in the balcony when the police would go away from here. He would give the important paper to him. Now the door opened. The waiter entered the room. He had a tray. In the tray there was wine. That was Henry. Henry is the name of the waiter. Now Fowler said, Max will be there in the balcony. Max will be there on the balcony. As I told you, Max jumped down from the window. Actually, there was no balcony. He jumped down on the ground and he cried and he died. Now, Fowler said, where is the police? Ojival said, there is no police. Ojival said, there are no police. And Max will not return as he had died and there was no balcony. This is the story about this chapter. Thank you.